Welcome. This is Quantdesk, a trading desk built with the help of AI. It started as a way to trade a little better and it grew into something worth sharing. So here it is for you. Research and backtesting. Good trading starts with research, not hunches. So a strategy can be replayed across years of real options data, and you watch the profit build up trade by trade after every fee and tax. Every single trade is right there, where it entered, where the stop sat, where it exited, and the reason it fired in plain English. You can see how a result actually happened, the wins, the losses, the streaks, and the rough patches. It breaks down month by month and year by year, so the strong and weak periods stand out. And you can zoom into a single day, minute by minute, to see exactly how the trade behaved. Optimization. Tuning settings by hand takes hours. So the AI does the searching. It works through thousands of combinations to find the best way to enter. Or you sweep just one setting across a range and rank every version by whatever matters most. Every run is saved and ranked, and the best one applies back to the strategy in a single click. Portfolio construction. A single strategy is fine, but the real strength is combining them. A whole portfolio comes together here. Set the weights and see how the strategies work as one. The drawdowns, the contribution, how correlated they are. The live desk. Then there's the live side, reading the market while it's actually trading. The live straddle is right there, the call and the put together with implied volatility and price beside it. A full live option chain shows the open interest, the Greeks, and where the big walls are sitting. The advisor reads the day's mood and suggests how to be positioned right now. And at the close, it writes up the whole session for you, what happened and what the best play would have been. Market-wide scanning. It isn't only options. Either the whole market can be scanned. The biggest gainers, the losers, the volume spikes, all live. Every stock can run through the great investors, Buffett, Munger, Graham and Lynch, to see which ones they would back. Or you build a scan from scratch, stack the conditions, taste the stock and save it. Even mutual funds can be researched and compared on returns, efficiency and risk. Daily intelligence. And every morning before the market opens, there's a plain English read on the day, the global cues, the technicals, the gap and the levels that matter. And every call is logged and scored against what actually happened to. So it stays honest. Agentic integration, and here's the part worth getting excited about. Quantdesk plugs straight into AI assistants, so the entire platform can be run just by talking to it via MCP on Claude. This is better when it's built together, so something useful will be added here every single day. There's more coming soon live and on YouTube. Come along and let's get better at trading together. This is Neerav. Happy to solve any queries in comment section. Thank you.